Most guys don't actually get trouser length wrong, they get the proportions wrong. They try to go for a slight or full break, but the hem is too narrow, so instead of draping cleanly over the shoe, the fabric collapses and looks really messy. When the width and the length are balanced, the trouser falls naturally, elongating the legs and creating that smooth, elegant line that defines fine tailoring. Let's look at what that means: no break, slight break, and a full break, and how to get each one right. Break simply refers to how much the bottom of your trouser touches or breaks on top of your shoe. But that break isn't just about length, it's how the width interacts with it. So if you get the balance wrong, the entire silhouette falls apart and it looks really messy. No break means the trouser just kisses the top of the shoe. It's clean, it's sharp, and it's associated with modern fits. It's common in contemporary tailoring, ideal if you like slimmer, tapered leg, and wear loafers or sleek Oxfords. I'd say this is best for slimmer physiques, narrow or tapered trousers, and summer fabrics or casual tailoring like using linen or cotton. A slight break means there's a small gentle crease at the front where the hem meets the shoe. It's the most balanced and timeless option. It's neat, it's put together. These are best for classic tailoring, everyday business wear, and most body types and leg shapes. Full break is where most people go wrong. They want that traditional full break, a bit more drape and depth, but they're wearing trousers that are too narrow at the hem. So what happens? The fabric catches awkwardly at the shoe and bunches up, breaking at the front and the back, creating a messy bunch. When the hem is slightly wider, the fabric falls naturally over the shoe, forming a clean, uninterrupted line down the back of the leg. It should just cover the heel, not touching the floor, creating those elegant, elongated lines that you see in fine tailoring and classical menswear. That's the real secret. The right width gives you the right break. I would say this is best for fuller cut trousers, heavier and or taller builds, and also conservative dressing. Here's the rule of thumb and a little tip. The slimmer the trouser, the shorter the break, with a clean, uninterrupted crease down the front of the leg. It will look nice and clean as if your trousers were tailored just for you. Now the wider the trouser, the more the break, with the clean, uninterrupted crease down the back of the leg. Again, details that matter. If you're going custom, then it's easy to get this right from the start. But if you search for ready-to-wear, most trousers will have inlay in the length. That means it can be lengthened and of course shortened. This is usually an easy alteration. When I was young, my mom used to do it for me at home. I've learned to do this on my own as it's not too challenging, but you can probably also find a local alteration shop to help you out if you need. It's a small detail, but it changes the entire impression of your outfit. So guys, what's your preferred look? No break, slight break, or full break? Let us know in the comments.